See you in hell.
Good luck.
It's floating. Throw the rope.
Oh my!
Is it flooding yet?
Did you cut it off or did it stop?
Shut off.
Oh.
Oh my God, that shit's deep.
Right here.
It's literally
Throw the black line to me.
I like how they both evacuated.
Oh.
Corey, it was in your hand.
If you let go of it, I would have caught it.
Right now, who has enough ass to pull it out?
You're floating right now.
Yeah, we could probably pull it with our hands.
Yeah, really. Let me see this.
See if we can pull it.
Oh my God!
It's like pulling a boat in the dock.
I love those. We're on a cruise. Let's go kayak.
All right, it's about all.
It's about,
Keep on a paddle.
I should probably throw them out the other way.
Uh,
Because we're probably going to have to throw them back, right?
yeah, maybe.